What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so today is gonna be for your teeth. Okay, if you have those plaque going on your teeth, you know, those brownish stain and those milk color stain, you know, that is just around somewhere in your teeth, that is dental plaque. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you a very simple yet natural and also very effective home remedy that would help you to get rid of your dental plaque, mouth odor, dental tartar and decay. Okay, now you have to also remember that these things are natural. You have to be consistent, but in this remedy you have to use it once in a week and your result is going to be so massive. So if you want to know what it is, do continue watching and subscribe, thumbs up and share the video, and let me take you right into the video. Alright, so we're going to be needing to use raw onion. Now raw onion is increasingly healthy for you. As an added bonus, the antibacterial sulfur compounds contained in onion will kill the harmful bacteria on your teeth. But when you use onion, just onion, you would have to chew other stuff to kill the smell. But in this mix, you're not going to be needing anything because I'm just going to give you some of the mix that will help you so that you're not going to feel the smell. So the next ingredient we're going to be needing is going to be salt. Now salt water rinse help to remove particles of food that has stuck between your teeth. Those particles could irritate and inflame your gums. That could mean cavities and more trips to dental tartar and dental plaque. So using salt alongside with other natural ingredients will help you to remove bacteria alongside in removing buildup of plaque. And then we're going to also be needing baking soda. Though baking soda has a mild abrasive compound, it is great in breaking down molecules that stains the teeth. It also provides and prevents harmful bacteria that leave the teeth with plaque, tartar and dental decay. And then we're going to be needing to use extra virgin olive oil. Now olive oil is a great remedy that helps to remove bacterial buildup on the teeth, and it helps to also help to whiten the teeth, mixing it up with onion. Using olive oil will help to remove bad breath, tartar, decay, and it leave your gum really healthy. Alright guys, so we're going to prepare the onion and we're going to be cutting it to remove the peel. Alright, so what you're going to do is to either grate your onion or you blend it. So I'm going to be grating mine, guys. Alright guys, I would have to transfer this into a smaller bowl. We're not going to be sieving this out because we would obviously need the chaff to do the job for us. So give it a little stir, and then we're going to be taking in just a pinch of salt, just a little quantity, just like that is perfect. Now remember that your salt has to be just a little because you're using it for the teeth, so it's going to touch the gum. Now you're going to be taking in the baking soda, and you're going to be needing to use half teaspoon of baking soda, and this is enough. And then also, to mix this really well, you're going to be needing to use half teaspoon of olive oil into this mix. Now this would help you for your gum. Now after doing that, then you can give this a nice stir. So you stir it really good. And yeah guys, what onion and baking soda does together is that when it gets in contact with each other, the color actually changes, just like what you have here. I don't know what color you're seeing, but what I'm having here is a light green color. Stir this really good. And for this guys, you would have to use it for 1 week, just once in a week. Okay, you would have to take care of your teeth once in a week with this natural ingredients, and poof, you are good to go. Okay, now let's go and brush the teeth with this. It's actually very good. Alright guys, so here it is. This is how it looks like. It looks light green because of the onion, and this is my teeth. I actually do take care of my teeth very well. At most, I brush my teeth with baking soda mixed with other ingredients once in a month, or twice in a month. Okay, and it keeps my teeth really healthy. It keeps my gum really healthy, and my mouth, the breath is wow. Okay, so you're gonna be needing a brush, and then you're going to grab this into your brush, and then you brush your mouth with it, your teeth rather. Alright guys, so make sure that your salt is not too much in this mix, okay? So that, look at the onion. Everything in here is healthy, it's consumable, so you don't have any reason to fear, okay? So you brush your mouth with this. Once in a week, you grab it and then wash. Grab it. Wash. You brush your upper side and all of the side. You brush everything out, okay? The downside. And most especially, do not forget to brush your tongue. Okay, it's like this. Let me wash my mouth and then show you how my teeth is. Guys, so this is how my teeth is, really white. My tongue really clean. Yeah, and yeah guys, for this treatment or this remedy, once in a week guys, just once in a week is perfect. Okay, now this will help for your mouth odor if you're having mouth odor. This will help for dental plaque if you're having all of those buildup or plaque. Sometimes if you're having them and it's really thick, you can actually, use something to just remove them like that, and then you brush with this and it's going to be perfect. Okay, so another thing is that you don't have to leave this on in your mouth for so long. Immediately you brush it, you'd have to rinse it all up, and of course the onion is not going to smell in your mouth because of the mixture of the baking soda. And also know that sometimes it gives this tickling feeling, but it's natural. It's not going to do you any harm, and you are going to be loving it. Okay, scrub out all of those dental plaques, scrub out all of those mouth odors, scrub out all of those dental decay, scrub out all of those dental tartar, and have a sparkling white teeth with a fresh breath. But remember to do this once in a week, okay? And do not leave the treatment in your mouth for so long, all right? Immediately you're done brushing, you wash off and you're good. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.